everyone, welcome to Shada Cook. Today we are going to make orange fantasy, a nice mocktail. So let's see what we need for this. Orange juice, lemon juice, sugar syrup, apples, fresh sprig of mint leaves, strawberry crush, some black salt and black pepper. Okay, so we'll start preparing for that. Firstly, we are taking apples, roughly chopped, mint leaves, strawberry crush, about 2 teaspoons, 4 teaspoons of sugar syrup, black salt to taste, black pepper, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, some orange juice. And now we are going to grind it. Now pour it in a glass. You can see it has got nice and frothy, and that's the ice. And lastly, top it up with some finely chopped apples. So there you go, your orange fantasy is ready. And you can see how good it looks. There's orange juice and then this frothy juice on the top. It looks like a really royal drink. It tastes really good. Do try it. If you like this video, do thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.